Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? As you can see from the title, we'll be working with Nadula here. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 24-inch 5x5 HD lace closure unit, and it came pre-plucked, pre-parted. All I had to do was put it on my head, and you guys are gonna see, like, I literally did not have to use any glue, any adhesive spray, nothing. This wig is a gem. Let me go ahead and show you guys. I could tuck this comb right up under this lace to show you it is 100% glueless, and this unit was super easy to work with. So if you are a beginner, you're just looking to get into wigs, this gorgeous wig is definitely for you, and the links for this unit will be in the description box for you to purchase. So let's go ahead and let me show you how I did this quick and easy install. guys, so I am finally back, and this is the gorgeous unit from Nadula hair. It is in 24 inches and it is their Bodywave texture. It is a HD 5x5 lace closure unit, and as you guys can see, we decided to opt out with no baby hair. I literally took this wig straight out the pack and onto my head because it is literally that easy to work with a Nadula wig. It is pre-plucked, pre-parted, as you guys saw in the beginning, and it has the nice adjustable strap that you could take off or on, as well as a clip hook where you could just hook it under that band, so the unit is really nice and snug on your head and it's literally not gonna go anywhere. As you can see, I can put my comb up in there and slide it across to show that it is absolutely glueless. So this is one of those units that if you want to put it up and wear it another day, that is definitely something that you can do. And it is really just full. It isn't super thick, so it is a very beginner friendly unit or a very hot climate friendly unit, if you know what I mean. I just went to Jamaica, and girl, when I tell you 250 density will kill you there. So you will opt for this density, and it literally is a life changer, especially if you live in very humid climates, because it's really light and breathable. This wig is gorgeous. The cap was very perfectly constructed. This whole wig on a whole is A1. So if you are looking to just wear wigs and you want to try closures out, you don't want to do too much, or if you are looking to cut out the whole hairstylist process and just try to install your wigs by yourself, this unit is definitely one of those beginner friendly units. And if you would like to purchase it, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babe.